Artificial intelligence is fundamentally transforming industries such as healthcare, finance, and education. It enhances efficiency and elevates decision-making processes across diverse fields. Moreover, the integration of AI technologies into daily life significantly enriches user experiences, fostering more personalized interactions within various applications and services. As AI progresses, the emphasis on ethical considerations and regulatory frameworks grows. This focus is essential for promoting responsible usage and mitigating potential risks. Additionally, the application of supervised learning to gather comparative data plays a vital role in enhancing the training process. This ensures that models learn accurately from the supplied data. Furthermore, the significance of reward models in training cannot be overlooked. These models are instrumental in steering the optimization of policies towards achieving desired outcomes. Lastly, the PPO reinforcement learning algorithm emerges as a fundamental technique in policy optimization. Its successful application has proven effective in refining decision-making processes.